Struggling with coding? Generative AI can help you write, debug, and optimize code in seconds. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, AI-powered code assistants can suggest solutions, generate code snippets, and even explain complex programming concepts. Just type a question and AI can provide step-by-step guidance. For example, if you need a Python function to sort a list, AI can instantly generate the code and explain how it works. If you're stuck on a bug, AI can analyze your code, find errors, and suggest fixes. It can even refactor your code for better efficiency and readability. Working on a big project? AI can help by organizing your code, suggesting design patterns, and even generating boilerplate code so you don't have to start from scratch. If you're dealing with repetitive tasks, AI can automate them, freeing up time for more complex problem solving. Need help with documentation? AI can generate doc strings, inline comments, and even full project documentation based on your code. And if you're collaborating with a team, AI can review pull requests, suggest improvements, and ensure consistency across your code base. Working with multiple languages? AI can translate code between Python, JavaScript, C++, and more, making it easier to switch between projects. Plus, it can generate unit tests and edge cases to help you catch potential issues before deployment. Coding doesn't have to be frustrating. Let AI be your smart assistant, helping you code faster, learn new skills, and build better projects. Try it out and take your programming to the next level.